So, let me tell you a story that will blow your senses. Leave it in the heart as an odd trick. The story begins on a night when the moon was also looking at shyly out of the way, and silence was silence on the streets, as if the world was still. That night, a little bus, just moving to my destination. But it wasn't just like you've seen. It was just a war travel. It said, it's never going to last, and its floor is its floor. His floor is so far away, so mysterious that he comes anywhere else from the bus. That night there were but a few in it. The bus driver, an elderly man with age and experience, stood behind. There was so much silence in the bus that the wine could see that nothing was going to happen, nor could they see anything. Suddenly, then, the bell rang. Just hearing the bell sound turned way into the bus floor. The driver gently broke the engine, just before the signal entered into a mysterious darkness. Right then, a boy, his name was Zernd, got in. He was a violent, full boy of life, now starting a new age. She had a keen eye, and a sense of encouragement on her face. He found that the rest of the bus seats are still empty, but the sound was a mystery that was required to understand. There was a strange atmosphere inside the bus that night. Mists like mist and silence covered the air. No one knew, but it was just what it was that was known to travel after death. He says he's gonna get up to this bus, never return behind him. And today, it'll turn out to be the biggest turn of his life. As he put his bag in the seat, looking out the window, as if someone were looking. Suddenly, the bus wheel began to move a little. Argentina's heart began beating a little, but her courage was stronger than she. Just walking with laughter, the journey in the darkness began. As a result, the sound of a frightening cough began to burst into the room. He didn't see her around. All the people were there waiting, as if they were a structure of bones. Suddenly, the most frightening view that night showed an old black shadow, whose eyes were shining. His outer garments and his laughter were about to make him afraid. But he realized that it was not a shadow. The bus's experience was like a wheel stopped. The smile and words of the spirit behind them sounded like they were living in the days of their old life. Antonio was not afraid, but he was more intriguing in his eyes. He asked, "Why are you here?" At that time, suddenly, the bus environment changed. All the spirit came upon them with their tales. They started telling me that it was just a way after death where every spirit must complete his story. A spirit came with their children, who also had tears in their eyes. He realized that he was not just a traveler, but the final journey of every spirit, where he would have to make the final welcome from his past. Suddenly, Argentina's eye fell on a little child, who was deeply holding his father's hand. The child's eyes were so innocent and scared that they even beat his heart. And he began to think within himself, is this the journey that we are waiting for? As soon as the plane turned in, all spirits went into their flashback. Henry had a surprise that this is just the net of any of our last journey. In fact, it is even a warning, even a direction, that brings us the harvest of our works. And then, just suddenly it stopped. At the same time, Argentina's eyes were open. She learned that she had waked up early, and this whole experience was in front of her eyes. There was none behind the bus, no soul. But the experience that night, that terrible journey never forgot. He realized that the veil between life and death is thin, and at times, the floor is not as far as we think. So it was by night, in which he learned that death is no end, but the start of a new journey. And maybe, we have a final stop of every spirit, where his story ends, and a new one begins. If you like my story, please subscribe to the Ink, comments, share, and subgroups.